This tote bag has made over 5,000 sales just in the lifetime of the listing. And this product here has made 65 sales just in 4 months. And there's a lot of products like this that's doing extremely well on Etsy. And who would have thought that selling these tote bags for print on demand could be a great place for you to make sales? So in today's video, I want to share with you some of the top trending tote bags you can create and really how you can find t-shirt designs to actually put on these tote bags that can help you sell even better utilizing AI, because that's definitely going to speed up our design process. Now, the place that we're going to use to sell these tote bags is Purify. They have a lot of things for you to sell, and that's what I mean by looking at t-shirt designs can be extremely helpful, because when you head over to the different product categories like tote bags, this could be an easy place for you to make sales online with Etsy. And with the seamless connection with Etsy and Purify, it makes it really easy for you just to focus on designs that are selling well, list your design on Etsy, and start making sales. So if you do want to check out Purify on your own, again, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to see if this is best for your Etsy business. All right, so as we can see, there's a lot of print on demand products that's definitely selling well. And one of the things that we definitely want to connect is just not the tote bag, but also the design that's on the tote bag. And as you can see, these products here are selling extremely well. Again, we can go into this a little bit further and see this design here has sold 65 times just in the last 4 months. And again, just in the last 30 days, definitely sold a lot as well, 27 products. And with this being a print on demand product, again, they're just focusing on creating a high quality design and listing it on Etsy. I wouldn't be too concerned about the price point here, because if you look further into these listings, the price is definitely much more than $5 here. But this is definitely an opportunity for you to sell. If you are trying to sell something other than t-shirts, this is probably one of the best things to do in connection with your t-shirt designs. Again, a lot of these designs right here have been used on t-shirts, but you can move that over into tote bags and do extremely well there. Same thing like this product here. I know we definitely saw these type of cat shirts on t-shirt products. And again, these have sold extremely well. This has been around for 7 months, sold 93 products here, but even in the last 30 days, it sold 44 products. It is a best-selling product here. And again, you can just see how easy this is to create. Definitely with AI nowadays, it can be extremely easy for you to do this, and put this on a tote bag could definitely help you target a whole new product category and whole new audience, and definitely help you sell in this space as well. Again, here's another product here, very simple, bring in somewhat of a personalization, because this is focusing on the birth month and bringing in birth flowers. But you can see how some of these designs really don't have to be crazy in regards to the texture or to the text. It's literally bringing in an AI created design here, and it's just simply putting on top the birth flower and then putting at the bottom specific personalized things related to the birth month. And again, this could sell extremely well, and it's just the design posted on the tote bag. And again, the data proves well, right? Been around for 22 months, sold over 800 products, and sold well over $5, right? Look at the price here, $16.50. And we can go even further, see that they're definitely charging for shipping as well. So don't be discouraged if you are seeing products like this for $4. Again, if you go deeper into these listings here, the tote bag normally sells more than just $4 or $5 here. And we can see this is still selling well. Again, 800 products sold at $16. Again, you can definitely be more competitive with your pricing if you want to, but again, huge opportunities here for you to sell these type of products as well. And we can see this product as well, bringing in some nice designs here. Again, this could be recreated or even remixed further with AI, which could be extremely helpful for us. And again, this one here is also missing some things that I would add something like personalization, or if this is for a cat mom, put in some things related to their cat, their name. So a huge opportunity to even go further than what we see here. But nonetheless, the data proves good here. Made 200 sales in a lifetime of listing, and definitely going to increase in sales with this being close to Christmas season. And again, we see the price point here being far much higher than $5 here. Definitely a huge opportunity for us to scale this product. And again, when we see these type of designs selling, like the cat design here, then we have this type of custom flower design selling well, then we move back over into cat products here. When I'm looking at this, just as somebody who's researching this niche, this product category, I can just automatically see that there's a huge opportunity to look further into a different product category like t-shirts and see again what is doing well over in that space, and how can I bring those ideas, those designs, those attributes over into a different product category. And that's the winning type of secret here. When you do find something selling well in a particular category, you can always strive to take what is doing well there, of course, remix it, redesign it, add value to it, but place that type of design over into a different product category and see what's selling well. So again, when you think about that and head over to cat t-shirts, we can see there's a lot of opportunities to move these type of designs like this product been around for 16 months, sold 400 times, and bridges over into the tote bag category, that could do extremely well. Again, most of these tote bags here are those very square-like designs that could be used for t-shirts. It could also be used for tote bags. Probably one of the most easiest transitions from apparel products like sweatshirts and t-shirts and move that over into tote bags, in my opinion. But nonetheless, we can see again, this product has done well. Also been around for 3 months, sold 79 products in the last 30 days. And again, this is in the cat niche, bring in a popular art style here, and very plain and generic in regards to design style with this box type of theme. But again, when we head over to this type of product, again, the box theme kind of works in the tote bag space. And so definitely some huge opportunities, in my opinion, to explore these opportunities. When you look at these type of t-shirt designs that's selling, there could be some major opportunities to apply what we see here over into tote bags, especially this one here. Been around 5 months, sold 38 products. I think it's definitely going to increase in sales here. Again, we have a bestsellers badge, and I can only imagine this is just going to increase in time. And again, we're not even talking about adding in personalization. This product here been around for 35 months, sold over 2,000 products, and this is an easy one to add in personalization. Just simply put the cat name at the bottom. Adding in some personalization can do well. And personalization, print on demand, combined with AI designs, I think can help you sell well. And you can take this simple cat design here, put it on a tote bag, and add in some personalization, and that could take you far and beyond what we see currently selling on these tote bags here. We have an idea, we have a product category, we have our niche. Obviously, we're going to focus on selling a particular cat design, but we're definitely going to add in some AI designs to this, along with personalization, combine those together with print on demand, and I think we can get a pretty good product here in a few short moments. So when we head over to Purify, we're going to head over to catalog here, and we can find tote bags under the accessories section where it says bags. You can go for this one here, obviously the bestseller, but you can also just go for this one here. It's trending, a little bit cheaper in price as well. And of course, if you utilize Purify Premium, you get it a little discount as well. So we're definitely going to use this one here, but just see there's multiple opportunities for you to get into these tote bags as well. A lot of different versions of this. In our example today, we just stick with this one here, which is very traditional. And this one here only have one print provider, which is Monster Digital. And again, you can go further to see the price and the shipping costs. This could definitely be some opportunities for us to sell best here. Again, we see the size and the color options here. And with that being said, we can go ahead and start designing. And the number one thing, as I oftentimes said, is that when we do create these products, you need to go over to the letter I here to get information about this and understand what is the print size, because we want our print to come out as crisp as possible. We definitely want it to be laid properly on the printed area. We don't want anything to be large or outside of this. And so just be mindful, whatever design software you're using to create your design as far as your canvas, make sure you set your canvas properly. 3000 by 3600 pixel. That's going to be the size we definitely want to target. So we have our dimensions set up. We know we're going to utilize that in our canvas space, but now we want to go ahead and create our AI design. I'm going to jump into my AI tool that I created. This is my Creative Prompt AI tool I built for my Etsy community just to make it easier for them to utilize AI for training designs, find great mockups, great templates they can remix into their own designs, as well as find amazing products through my niche finder, utilize the smart SEO tool I have that uses AI to create winning Etsy titles and tags. So if you do want to get access to my Creative Prompt AI tool, this is through my Etsy private membership community where I offer my private coaching, access to my classes, and to my 80 video course series of how to sell well on Etsy, access to our live coaching calls, our community, and of course the Creative Prompt AI tool. So if you want that entire bundle to help you sell well on Etsy, make sure you check out the link below to get access to that as well. So definitely there's a lot of opportunities for you to utilize our community designs and to remix them and to create them in your own unique way. So again, if you do want to get access to this, I'll make sure I leave a link down in my description box below to get access to everything that I offer to help you sell well on Etsy. So with that being said, we're going to head over to AI Generator. And if you do struggle with creating prompts and you don't know what to put into the prompt box, we do have the option that you can upload any mockup design either from Etsy, Amazon, Pinterest, Walmart, Target, and you can upload your mockup image. The Creative Prompt AI tool will give you a very descriptive prompt for you to find a similar style, and then from there you can remix that. So that's what we want to do here. So we found this design to do extremely well here just with this cat. We want to go ahead and copy this mockup image here, and the reason why we're doing this is because again we just want to get the creative prompt we can use and then remix this further. So let's go ahead and add in the design here, and now we're just going to have the AI tool analyze the image, and it's going to give us, again, the creative prompt, focusing on just the design itself. Again, not looking at the t-shirt or what color the t-shirt is, just giving us just the design. Then from here, we can enhance further with ChatGPT or just utilize what we have here. We'll go ahead and generate t-shirt design, and we'll see what we gather as a result. All right, so here's what we gather as a result, and I think that came out extremely well. Again, this is how quickly you were able to find the right prompt, get the right designs, and definitely utilize this further to bring in more design features. Now, we can definitely utilize this because we're going to change this up to bring in some more personalization. So this could definitely be one we can target and redesign. So we go ahead and download this. But as I download this, I also want to share with you how we're able to remix these designs to go even further than what we have here. So we can go down to the bottom where we have a remix the prompt, and now we can put in just a few words to remix the design. Maybe have the cat wear something, or change this to be a cat within a specific season, or change the cat out entirely into a different animal here. So to do that, the only thing we have to do here is go down to the bottom. We're going to remix from the original prompt, and we're going to put in a very basic prompt here. So we said make the cat wear a Christmas hat, but keep the entire design the same. And so we can hit apply remix here, and we're going to remix from the original prompt, which is this up here. And when we scroll down to the bottom, we can see the entire prompt before we actually generate it. And we can see, again, it kept everything the same with the cat peeking out from the top, but this time it's wearing a Christmas festive hat, which is perfect. Here, we can go ahead and hit apply from the remix, and you can see how much of a difference we gathered here from this design. Again, we started off with just a basic cat peeking over, but now we added in a Christmas hat on top of that. We can add in some Christmas lights. We can change this to be a totally different style animal, but you can see just how easy this is to definitely create a top selling product just by putting in a mock-up image and definitely going a little further here and redesigning this. So I think this is good. This is one that we're definitely going to use. And so with that being said, we can go ahead and download this. And now we're going to upload this into our design software to set this to be the right canvas, add in some personalization, and then finalize this over with Purify so we can start selling this on Etsy. All right, so now that we are in Canva, we want to go ahead and create a custom size here. So we're going to go to the custom section here, and we're going to remember the dimensions we had over in Purify so we can create this to be the right dimensions. And that size was 3000 by 3600 pixel. So we're definitely going to utilize that to be the canvas space in which we create. All right, so everything good here. We can go ahead and create design, and now we have our canvas space that's going to fit perfectly with what we have over here with Printify. So now with that being said, we're going to drag and drop our design. We're going to remove the background, upscale it, and add in some personalization to what we have. So with that being said, we have our design here. Two things we want to do. Definitely number one, remove the background. So we're going to remove the background here. Again, this is going to be on our tote bag. I think that came out well. And then we're going to go ahead and upscale the image to be 4 times. So you can head over to edit here, move all the way down into Canva, and you have this option to upscale image. And then we're going to do this 4x. That's going to be the best quality for us to get a sharp image printed out. So if everything's good here, the image has been upscaled. Go ahead and click replace. But now we're going to add in some personalization to this. Add in a popular phrase at the top as well. Popular phrases and personalization is always good to do with Pro on Demand. So now we have this here. We can go ahead and put in some personalization. So we added some text at the bottom here, and we just simply put in a placeholder for the cat's name. So we'll go ahead and put Jerry here, and then we'll go down and use one of the fonts we have that I think is perfect for the Christmas season. But again, we want to also add in a popular phrase at the top, so we can do that here. So we add in just this funny phrase where it says one jolly kitty. And now with that, we're going to go ahead and also add in a curve to our design. So we're going to head over to effects, and we're going to add in a curve effect so it can go around the cat here. And about here would do just fine. We can also space out the words if you want to as well, just to make it go around the cat a little bit better. And that is all good to go. And if everything is good, I like to go ahead and copy everything and go ahead and group it together. So if I do need to make any changes, they're all going to move at the same time. And if I need to make it larger or smaller, again, everything is going to be the appropriate size. So everything is good here. We go ahead and center this in the center of our design. And of course, we can go add in some more things here, but just as an example, you can see how quickly we were able to utilize AI to create a great design here, focus on a specific season. We're able to put in personalization. Again, Jerry just going to be the placeholder. And then we are able to bring in some popular phrases as well, just to make our design stand out even more. This is all set, done, ready to go. We can go ahead and download this as a transparent background. So it's going to be PNG. I'm going to select transparent background here. And whenever we do get an order, we can jump back into Canva, change out the name here. And that's the only manual change we have to do when it comes down to custom orders. So with that being said, this is done, set to go. Let's jump back over into Printify where we are able to upload our image here. So we'll simply drag and drop our design. And now we have our design uploaded. You can see once we follow the print size size that Printify gives us, there's really no alteration or changes or scaling this up to fit the proper space. This is perfect in regards to the space that we have here, perfect in regards to the print quality. We have 300 DPI, which is a great setting to have in regards to our resolution. Again, we have our design here perfectly placed on our tote bag, and essentially that's all we have to do. Now, if we do want this to be printed on both sides, we have that option as well. We can select both sides here and definitely drag and drop that same design over, and now we have this printed on the front side as well as the back side here, and this is all set to go. We're done here. We can go ahead and save this, upload this to our Etsy shop and start selling this. And of course, we have to work on finding great mockups and have the proper SEO. Those things we can definitely work towards in the next video. But again, just for the design video aspect of this, we can definitely see some huge opportunities to create these tote bags, finding some top trending products with t-shirts, bridging it over into tote bags, adding in personalization, popular phrases, and definitely targeting a unique remix of a winning design, and definitely selling this as a on-demand product. If you do want to see what this looks like once it is printed out, again, this is the mock-up image from Purify. Very basic, great design that could do well. Definitely bringing in that cat design that we know to sell well. Bridging this over into a Christmas season, adding personalization, popular phrases is always good. And again, this is the size and how this will be printed out. And again, I think that came out extremely well. And that can be yet another product we can definitely create and sell as our print on demand product. And here is another design that we created simply with utilizing AI tools to help us recreate and redesign a popular product here. Made some changes, and you can see just how easy that is to create these very, very quickly and still create top trending designs to sell on these tote bags. And you can see how that looks once it is printed out. And again, I think that came out extremely well. So again, if you want to try out Printify on your own, again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below, and also a link to jump into my Etsy private community to get access to my Creative Prompt AI tool in our community, our coaching, our live classes, and just to help you create better with this tool as well. If you want to get access to everything I'm talking about in today's video, again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And check out this next video here where I share with you how to create another top trending product you can create right now on Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.